Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Berwyn, local and long distance movers near me. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Berwyn, moving your items over long distances may seem like a challenging task, but with us in charge, you have no worries. A long distance move is over 50 miles from your current residence. Whether within the state or outside the state, we will get all your belongings to you at the right time and with your items in good condition. Our movers are highly trained. They sort your belongings and load them carefully into the truck. Our moving trucks are of the highest standards. They are spacious, well balanced, and built to carry items over long distances. Our drivers are also very experienced. They are fully licensed, follow every highway rule, and deliver on time. We provide the best moving services in Berwyn. Local moves are usually less expensive compared to long distance moves. Our local moving services are the cheapest you can find. Although our rates are extremely low, our moving services are top notch. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. Our excellent customer service is one of the reasons we have a lot of positive customer feedback. We keep our clients closely updated before, during, and after the move. We also build a great relationship with them, and your local move is perfect when you work with us. Our Berwyn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.